Hello Robins and Wrens, it's Tuesday the 16th of June and we are continuing with time. Here we are at our guided practice. We are working out how long it took for these children to do the activities. So here's a little girl, she looks like she's eating her supper. How long did it take her? Here's the starting time and here's her finishing time. So what's the difference between those two times? What's the duration? Let's have a look. Here it is. She starts at this time. Both hands are pointing straight up. It is 12 o'clock. She finishes here. So let's work out how many minutes that is. What we can do is we can skip count in fives around the clock using the numbers. She's going to finish here. So let's skip count together. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So it took her 25 minutes to eat her supper. Now, here we go. It looks like there's a boy watching a program. Let's see how long his program was. How long did he watch the television for? The clock here says what time he started, and this is what time he finished. Let's have a look at what time it is when he starts. That's what time it is. The long minute hand is pointing at the 3. It's travelled a quarter of the way around the clock. The hour hand is just past the 7. So he started at 7:15. Now, what we could do is we can skip count again. There's three different ways that we can do this to work this out. Which method will we use? First one, skip count in fives from 15:15 until 55 minutes past, because that's what time he finished. The minute hand is pointing at the 11, that's 55 minutes past. Let's do that. Count with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. That's what time the program finishes. So it was 40 minutes. Now there are other ways you can work that out. What you could say, method 2, you could look at what time did it finish and what time did it start. And you can do a calculation, the finish time and the start time. So, if it finished at 55 minutes past, and it started at 15:15 at 15 minutes past, the program would have lasted 55, take away 15, because it wasn't on for this bit, was it? It was on for this part of the clock, this duration. So 55 minus 15, we get to 40 again. Method 3. We're saying that it started at 15:15. If it finished at 8 o'clock, it'd be 45 minutes. If it started here, it finished at 8 o'clock, we would have 15, 30, 45. We would have 45 minutes. But it didn't finish at 8 o'clock, it finished 5 minutes earlier. So it would be 45 minutes minus 5 minutes here. So 45 minus 5 is 40. So whichever way you've worked it out, we get 40 minutes each time, don't we? Now, in the worksheets, this is the green level one. You've got to work out how long the programs are. You need to draw the arms of the clock on and work out how long each program is. The amber level for everybody is, again, working out how long each activity took. You might want to skip count in fives around or use whichever method works for you. And then you have to fill in this table here. What time will it be in 15 minutes? Ooh, apologies, that's a sneak peek of tomorrow's. What time will it be in 15 minutes? And what time will it be in 40 minutes? And then there's a purple challenge for you. So give it a go. Choose whichever method works for you, because our brains all work in different ways, and one way will work for you and one way won't work for you. Okay.